Hello children, today we will read oval words. While O says O as in orange. In English alphabet, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. Each vowel has 2 sounds, short sound and long sound. Let's revise short vowel sound. A says A as in apple. E says E as in egg. I says I as in igloo. O says O as in orange. U says A as in umbrella. Now we will read words of different word families of O vowel. First, the odd word family. God. God is creator. उसने हम सबको बनाया. Rod. Rod means stick. Repeat after me. God. Rod. Now the og word family. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. Log. Log means wood. One more time. Dog. Log. Here is the op word family. Mop. Mop is viper. Top. Top is spinner. It's a toy. Repeat after me. Mop. Top. Now the ot word family. Hot. Hot means warm. Cot. Cot means bed. Dot. Dot means point. Pot. Pot means vessel. Let's read them. Hot. Cot. Dot. Pot. Here is the ox word family. Box. Box means container जिसमें आप सामान रखते हैं. Ox. Fox. Fox is animal. Say with me. Box. Ox. Fox. Now the oi word family. Oy says oi. Toy. Toy is a plaything. Boy. Boy means lad. Repeat after me. Toy. Boy. Let's read all the families again. Faster this time. Odd. God. Rod. Og word family. Dog. Log. Op. Mop. Top. Ot. Hot. Cot. Dot. Pot. Ox. Fox. Box. Oi. Toy. Boy. You did amazing work today. Keep practicing your O vowel words every day. Bye bye.